Breaking news in the deadly plane crash investigation. Overnight, the black boxes were found after a passenger jet heading to a popular tourist spot went down in Nepal that killed at least 68 people. Britt Clinton has the latest for us. Good morning, Britt.
Good morning, Robin. Well, those black boxes now found could offer vital clues as to what caused that fatal plane crash in Pokhara about 80 miles from here. A local official telling us the search operation is exceptionally difficult because the crash site is so deep and so narrow. And sadly, that official telling us they've given up hope of finding anyone alive.
Overnight, the black boxes recovered. Searchers locating the cockpit voice recorder and flight data from this passenger plane that crashed into a gorge Sunday, killing at least 68 of the 72 people on board. The two-engine ATR, operated by Nepal's Yeti Airlines, took off from the capital of Kathmandu for what was meant to be a half-hour flight. But just a mile or so before its intended landing, you can see the twin-turbo prop bank sharply in a clear blue sky, just moments before you hear a loud boom. Then faint screams. The European-manufactured plane was 15 years old, according to the flight tracking website Flight Radar 24. Its transponder failed to transmit reliable data. The last signal sent was received at 10:57 a.m, about 18 minutes after takeoff. The cause of the crash is still under investigation. On the ground, dozens of first responders and onlookers crowded near the steep gorges of the crash site as the search for victims and survivors continues. Since 2000, some 350 people have died in plane or helicopter crashes in the Central Asian country. Today, Yeti Airlines grounding all scheduled flights in mourning for the passengers who lost their lives.
Flying can be very demanding there because of weather conditions and winds and things of this nature. So we've got a lot to evaluate in understanding why this airplane fell off on one wing and crashed into the airport.
And tomorrow there will likely be a vigil here in Kathmandu with their grieving families. Cecilia?
We are thinking of them, Britt. Thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.